Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Happy Friday. It's time for a free Friday tutorial and I wanted to show you something quick and easy but still cute and packs a punch. So we're going to be using the happiest of birthday cards. You can just stamp these out so fast. We're going to be using this little happy birthday right there. It's just happy and then B-Day. And then this one says enjoy. Oh, it's your day, enjoy it. So let's go ahead. I've got those stamps all ready to go. We're going to be using some rich razzleberry. So I'm going to grab my rich razzleberry ink. We're going to just put it all together. And I've got my adhesives being the Stampin' Dimensionals and the Stampin' Seal. And you guys, this is all we need. We need some rich razzleberry cardstock. We need a piece of scrap and rich razzleberry, same with the Whisper White. And then we need a piece of Whisper White for the inside because it is a dark background. And then we're going to be using some Designer Series paper from the Plaid. And I'm just going to, oh, so pretty. I just cannot wait. So we've already got this down, but I'm going to go ahead and burnish it a little bit further to make sure that that's going to stay. So we've got that taken care of. And guess what? We get to put this on right now. So I'm going to take this and we're going to put this right down with our Stampin' Seal. And then we're just going to put a nice little border right around there. And if it's all cut right, it should go perfectly. There we go. Now, we're going to stamp our pieces. We got our Whisper White. We've got our rich razzleberry. We're going to get our happy birthday. And we're going to just put that right there. Look how cute that is. Super adorable. Then we're going to get out our It's Your Day, Enjoy It. That looks good. And we're going to put that right here. See how fast these are? Watch how fast this card is. You're not going to believe it. Probably getting out my ink and everything is what's going to take the longest. We're going to use our Stampin' Seal here. Put that right on the inside. Again, when you line up these borders, you get a nice little ta-da. Alright, now we're just going to use a trimmer to trim this down. And you can use whatever trimmer you have. Now this one did not get done perfectly. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. That's what I love about this little mini trimmer. Unfortunately, it was only a special during celebration. So only certain people got it. Demonstrators were able to purchase it in advance. Just cleaning this up. I got one more. I probably could have got this really nice and good, but and I love that you can just take off a little tiny piece. There we go. Of course I didn't do that as straight, but that's okay. That's okay. Now I'm going to cut this little piece as well. I want to see where this goes. give ourselves a border here as well. I think we're good there. Alright, it wasn't the ink that took longest, it was my lack of straight cutting. But it all came out nice there. And now we're just going to take this, put our dimensionals I'm going to put 4 on there. And how quick is that you can get a birthday card out? Just like that. Look how cute. So there we go. You need a quick and easy, the designer series paper. You can do it in any color. It all works out so well. That's what I love about Stampin' Up! Is all of their colors. You can just go with a whole entire monochromatic theme there. So I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to get the directions and the cuts, I'll even have these cuts down for you. The directions and a full free tutorial are on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.